Welcome back to Overheat, Cadillac Motorhome 2026. Iconic exterior. The motorhome's exterior will have simple yet sophisticated lines. OLED or micro-LED technology will be used in the headlights and taillights, which will have a unique vertical design. Premium materials. To reduce weight and increase strength, the external materials will combine lightweight composites, carbon fiber, and aluminum. Carefully considered details, little accents like concealed door handles, camera-equipped computerized rearview mirrors, and big alloy wheels with elaborate patterns will heighten the opulence. Ambient lighting and a sophisticated automated staircase are probably going to be features of the main entry. Exquisite and elegant interiors. High-end materials will be employed, such as soft-touch surfaces, brushed or chrome metal, exquisitely finished real wood, and hand-stitched premium leather. Gourmet kitchens, modern appliances from high-end manufacturers, such as induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwaves, full-size refrigerators and freezers, and built-in coffee makers, will be installed in the kitchens. Customizable ambient lighting, depending on user preferences. LED lighting systems with color and intensity adjustments will produce various ambiances. Performance and Drivetrain Technology. Various drivetrain choices. There will probably be a number of drivetrain choices, such as powerful diesel or gasoline engines mated to cutting-edge automated transmissions. Adaptive suspension. Cadillac's renowned magnetic ride control or an adaptive air suspension system will provide exceptional ride comfort in a range of road conditions. Advanced safety technologies. The motorhome will have a number of cutting-edge active and passive safety technologies, including as lane departure warning, automated emergency braking, adaptable ambient lighting. The LED lighting system's hue and intensity can be changed to produce various ambiances based on user preferences.